Fairytale is inspired by how at times in relationships we create our own mythologies around people, and we can often sacrifice a lot to make those a reality or try to sustain them. Of the white roses could signify purity, red roses often signify romance, so over the next few days these roses will be turning red. For me, the significance of using my own blood on my face was because sometimes after those relationships where you've sacrificed a lot, you are stained with that for some time. So I've been making performance in London for some time now, and I do travel internationally working as well. This is my first time in Pakistan, but I studied in London, and I've been making similar performances in the past sort of 6 years or so, using my body, and it's a pleasure to be here and bring them to Pakistan.